Alright guys, Tucker Singer here with S North Smithing. We're doing a little quick teaser video here for a project coming up. Our first collaboration video with Cold Dragon Forge is coming up here. Doing a special little project for him here. Got it welded up, about to throw her in the forge over yonder and get working on it. So guys, remember this is going to be a center punch for Ben. So keep an eye out for it. I think it'll be a fun project, and it's got a cool announcement. I think that'll be helpful for the whole blacksmithing community. Alright guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and keep your eyes open for this next project coming up. Remember, ring the bell icon for notifications.